Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you further about this tutorial. So our last tutorial was how to install Groovy and Grails. So I hope you have watched this video and get the Groovy Grails installed in your system. Now let's understand in today's video like what is the structure of this project and learn some basic classes like what is domain, what is controller, what are their works, what is the purpose of service, and some basic stuff that is really needed to do any kind of project in Groovy and Grails. So let me show you one presentation to make you understand in a very simple way. So for example, we want to create an application where we want to save the persons, and that person has an ID, name, age, and city. I hope you are familiar with the object programming, which is also called OOPS programming. If you are not aware, then I will recommend you go and see, because object is a thing where we actually save the objects. Like this person is an object which has its property like ID, name, age, and it will be saved under an object class. So that object class in Grails is called a domain. So domain is nothing, it's a class that will be serving as the object mapping class, and we will define the data types of all these fields inside this domain, whose name will be person. So let me make you understand how the Grails application works. Suppose we have the browser here, and it is going to send a request to the server. Server is our Grails application, and we have a class named controller in Grails. The work of this controller is to catch the request from the server and parse it, get the parameters, and call a function to a different class which is called a service class. A service class is a class which contains all the business logic. Suppose this get persons have a method which is mentioned in this service, and it calls in this controller. So all the business logic gets stored in the service, and all the database operations are also done in the service class itself. So this service class is actually connected with the database. Like all the database operation will be carried out inside the service class, and it will return back. Like in this example, we are fetching the records with the name get person here from the controller. This get person will call another method which is present in the service, and this service will interact with the database and fetch the database records and store in them and return it to the controller, and this controller will eventually return it to the browser. So this is how the actually flow works in the Grails application. You have a controller which is going to catch all the requests, you have the service which is going to contain the business logic and all the processing and logic stuff, and the service is also responsible for interacting with the database operation like CRUD operation, create, react, create, delete, or update, things like that. So I hope you got a bigger picture. Thank you guys, that's all for today. So I'm going to keep my videos short so that you people don't feel lazy about learning or seeing the video is too long. So I will be keep my videos short and precise to help you learn the things faster. Do subscribe to my channel. I'm going to bring a lot of Groovy and Grails stuff. Thanks.